right, here we are. We're at room 2075 on the second floor. Pretty empty. We're at Terra Luna. All right, let's go in. All right. And we stayed at the Stella across the street before, so this looks similar, but off rip, I can kind of tell it looks more clean, I think. Like, it looks more new. It is more new, but we went to the Stella when it was brand new, and it still kind of seemed like it was used a lot. So this looks like actually new. Nice little mirror, sink, nice shower. Yeah, definitely, I could tell off rip. For some reason, the room we had at Stella didn't look too new, but this one is definitely good. Usual shampoos, body wash, towels. Everything is nice and clean. Extra washcloths, hair dryer. The closet right here. Ironing board. Safe. Some pillows and blanket at the top. Walk in. Just turn this light on. And we got a pool view too, so we're on the second floor looking right at the pool, so it's pretty nice. Beds here. Put more beds in. The beds look nice and cozy. Everything looks more clean, like I can tell off rip. Like, I don't know, I feel like I like this hotel better than Stella already. Even the lobby looked like more cool than like a nice restaurant at the bottom. Got the TV. Some drawers. Got a fridge. Definitely good when they got a fridge. And we're gonna go to Epic Universe tomorrow, so that should be cool. I'm gonna do a vlog there, show what's going on over there. It's our first time. Here's the view. The pool, we got some sand right here. They got the pool bar over there, it looks like. It's getting darker, so the light's starting to come on the building. But yeah, everything looks cool. We about to just chill. We just got in. We had to have family come over here. And we just gonna have a good time tonight.